It takes a certain type of lawyer to do what we do, to represent victims, to represent people who have been injured, and people who have been taken advantage of.
When I first went to law school, I was thinking that I was going to be in Washington and it was going to be all about injustice for all, that I was going to change the laws in the world and make everything fair. Well, the reality is it's not fair. And what we do now, it really is about injustice for all.
It takes a lawyer with heart. It takes a lawyer who isn't paid by the hour and gets a guaranteed check every week.
It's rewarding to know that when people have been devastated through a loss of a loved one, or when their lives have been turned upside down because of injuries that prevent them from working, or when they cannot engage in their daily activities, or when they cannot be a father, they cannot lift their child, they cannot play, they cannot run, they can't think the way they used to, that we can help them improve their life.
And I can tell you that the lawyers we have at this law firm, the lawyers that I work shoulder to shoulder with, if they were offered twice the money to go to work for a defense firm where they would have to defend an insurance company or a corporation, our lawyers wouldn't do it. Because to them it would be immoral. When a corporation puts a bad drug on the market to make $1 billion, knowing that it will kill hundreds of people, how can you defend them? What sort of person would actually go in front of a jury and justify what they did? Well, the fact of the matter is, some lawyers do that. And it takes people like us, people at this law firm, to challenge them, to go to trial, to convince juries that what they did was wrong. And the people that they injured and the families that lost a loved one deserve justice.
It's not possible to make everyone whole, but we can sure help them adjust and to benefit as much as possible through the system that the law provides.
What we are doing is evening up the playing field and making it so people who are injured can get what they need, and it's not all about power on the other side.